300 million jobs gone by 2030. That's not science fiction. That's what Goldman Sachs is telling us right now. But here's the thing nobody's talking about. While everyone's panicking about robots taking over, there's a completely different story happening behind the scenes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly which jobs are disappearing, which ones are being created, and what you need to do right now to stay ahead. Goldman Sachs says AI could replace the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs by 2030. Other studies suggest up to 800 million jobs worldwide could be affected. But here's what's crazy. 14% of workers have already been displaced by AI, and you probably didn't even notice. Think about it. Customer service chatbots, automated checkout, AI-powered recommendations. The replacement is happening right now, one task at a time. The impact isn't random. Europe and the US could see unemployment rise by up to 12 million. But surprisingly, it's not just manual labor getting wiped out. Knowledge workers are in the crosshairs first. Administrative tasks, basic legal research, accounting, even graphic design. Women are disproportionately affected since they're overrepresented in high-risk automation roles. Younger and mid-career workers in tech and creative fields are also getting hit harder than expected. Here's where everyone gets it wrong. While AI destroys 300 million jobs, it's creating 20 to 50 million new ones globally. Up to 375 million workers will need to switch occupations. Notice I said switch, not lose their jobs entirely. It's estimated 12 million occupational transitions will happen in the US alone by 2030. This isn't elimination, it's transformation. So where do all these displaced workers go? Three main places. First, human-centered jobs AI can't touch. Healthcare, elderly care, skilled trades like plumbing and electrical work. These become more valuable, not less. Second, the service economy explodes. When everything gets automated, human connection becomes premium. Personal trainers, therapists, local service providers, jobs requiring emotional intelligence thrive. Third, hybrid roles emerge everywhere. It's not human versus AI, it's humans working with AI. Content creators using AI tools, designers collaborating with systems, doctors using AI for diagnosis but providing human care. AI's economic impact could reach $19.9 trillion by 2030. That's not destruction, that's wealth creation on a massive scale. The question isn't whether there will be prosperity, it's who gets to participate. Workers who can harness AI are already seeing wage increases. Those who can't are falling behind fast. Here's what you do right now. First, identify which parts of your job can be automated and focus on developing the human parts that can't be. Second, start learning AI tools in your field today. Don't wait for training. Workers who embrace AI tools are becoming more valuable. Third, develop skills that complement AI, critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, complex problem solving. These become your superpower. Every major tech revolution created more jobs than it destroyed, but there's always chaos during the transition. The printing press, industrial revolution, the internet, same pattern every time. 300 million jobs changing isn't a threat. It's the biggest opportunity in human history if you prepare now. The future belongs to people who can dance with AI, not fight it. The question isn't whether AI will change everything. It already is. The question is whether you'll be ready. Like and subscribe for more such videos.